Rock bottom will teach you lessons that mountaintops never will. The view from the top is breathtaking, but it can sometimes blind us to the struggles that got us there. Mr. Ash's words resonate deeply, reminding us that true growth often stems from adversity. It's in the valleys of our lives that we find the strength to climb higher. When we're on top of the world, it's easy to bask in the glory and overlook our vulnerabilities. Success can sometimes create a false sense of security. But when we hit rock bottom, we're stripped bare, forced to confront our weaknesses and seek new paths forward. It's a humbling experience that brings clarity. Rock bottom is not a place of defeat. It's a starting point, a place where we can rebuild with a stronger foundation. It's a crucible, a transformative experience that reveals our resilience. In these moments, we learn what we're truly made of. It's in these moments of darkness that we discover who we truly are. The quiet reflection allows us to reconnect with our core values. We learn to dig deep, tap into hidden reserves of strength, and emerge stronger than before. Each challenge faced and overcome adds to our inner fortitude. But before we dive deeper, please remember to help me out and like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks. Challenges are an inevitable part of life. They come in many forms and at different times, often when we least expect them. They test our limits, push us out of our comfort zones, and force us to grow. These moments of trial are crucial for our development. Think of a time you faced a significant obstacle. It might have seemed insurmountable at first. Maybe it was a personal setback, a professional failure, or a dream that didn't come to fruition. Or perhaps it was a loss that shook you to your core, leaving you feeling vulnerable and heartbroken. In those moments, it's easy to feel lost and defeated. The weight of the world seems to rest on your shoulders, but it's also an opportunity to learn and adapt. These experiences teach us resilience and the power of perseverance. Each challenge we overcome shapes our character and prepares us for future obstacles. We learn to problem solve, think creatively, and develop new skills. And most importantly, we learn to persevere in the face of adversity, emerging stronger and more determined than ever before. Onpassive, like any successful venture, has faced its share of trials. The company's journey is a testament to the transformative power of rock-bottom experiences. In the early days, there were doubts, setbacks, and moments when the path forward seemed uncertain. But through it all, the Onpassive team remained committed to their vision. They used every challenge as an opportunity to learn, adapt, and grow stronger. They embraced the lessons of rock bottom, knowing that these experiences were shaping them into a more resilient and successful organization. Section 4, Emerging Stronger, the Phoenix Principle. There's a powerful metaphor in the phoenix, a mythical bird that rises from its own ashes. This image perfectly captures the transformative potential of rock-bottom experiences. When we hit rock bottom, we have a choice: stay down or rise from the ashes, stronger and wiser. Onpassive embodies this principle. They didn't let setbacks define them. Instead, they used those experiences as fuel to propel themselves forward. They emerged from their challenges with a renewed sense of purpose and determination, ready to soar to new heights. Section 5, Embracing the Climb. The journey to success is rarely linear. There will be ups and downs, moments of triumph, and times of adversity. It's important to remember that setbacks are not failures. They are opportunities for growth and learning. Embrace the climb, embrace the challenges, the setbacks, and the lessons they offer. It's in these moments of adversity that we discover our true strength, resilience, and capacity for growth. Section 6, Conclusion. From Depths to Heights. This is where our journey culminates, a testament to the resilience and determination that define true success. Mr. Ash's words remind us that true success is often born out of adversity. It's in those moments of struggle and hardship that we find our true strength and potential. Rock bottom is not the end. It's a place where we gather our resolve, a point from which we can only rise. It's a stepping stone, a launching pad for growth and transformation. Each challenge faced is an opportunity to soar higher. Onpassive's journey embodies this principle. They have shown that with perseverance and teamwork, any obstacle can be overcome. They embraced their challenges, learned from their mistakes, and emerged stronger and more successful than ever before. Their story is a beacon of hope and inspiration. Remember, the path to the top often winds through valleys. It's these valleys that shape our character and fortify our spirit. Embrace the journey, learn from every experience, and never be afraid to rise from the ashes of your setbacks. Each setback is a setup for a comeback. For it's in the depths that we discover the strength to reach for the heights. The higher we aim, the more profound our journey becomes. For more information about Onpassive, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.